Master the meaning, wrist shot, in English. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a phrase that's common among sports fans but can also pop up in everyday conversation. Wrist shot. Understanding phrases like this is not just about expanding your vocabulary, but also about getting a glimpse into the culture behind the language. Let's explore what this phrase means and how you can use it. A wrist shot is a term that comes to us from the world of ice hockey. It refers to a type of shot where a player flicks their wrist to propel the puck towards the goal. It's known for its accuracy and quick release, and is one of the fundamental skills in a hockey player's arsenal. But why should you care about a hockey term if you're not a fan of the sport? Let's find out. In English, sports terminology often makes its way into everyday conversation. When someone talks about a wrist shot, they could be metaphorically referring to an attempt at achieving something with skill and precision. It might come up in business meetings, casual chats, and other areas where someone wants to express the idea of trying to achieve a goal with finesse, rather than brute force. Now, how do you actually use this phrase? Here are a few examples. Launching that startup was my wrist shot at making it big in the tech industry. She took a wrist shot at solving the problem and, surprisingly, it worked. Instead of going in with a hard sell, why not try a wrist shot approach with the clients? In each of these examples, the phrase is used to describe an action taken with strategy and precision, much like the hockey shot it's named after. Understanding phrases like wrist shot not only helps in grasping the language but also in connecting with the culture. Hockey is a significant part of life in countries like Canada, the USA, and parts of Europe. By using terms like this, you're not just speaking English, you're embracing a piece of the cultural mosaic that makes up the English-speaking world. And that's a wrap on wrist shot. It's more than just a sports term. It's a way to express a clever or skilled attempt at something in day-to-day language. We hope this video helps you slide this phrase into your conversations with the ease of a hockey player scoring a goal. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be taking your own wrist shots in English conversations.